Good afternoon, guys, and welcome back to another online lecture video. Today we are going to talk about the DNA molecule. Now, the DNA molecule that we know, it is the molecule that carries our genetic information. It stores our genetic information. The genetic information in the DNA are stored. Now, the DNA, its abbreviation is the deoxyribonucleic acid. And this DNA is what people will inherit from their parents, from the mother and the father. Inheritance. Now, today we are going to talk about a specific fact about DNA molecule. That is the base pairing rule of the DNA. As we know, DNA consisted of three main bases. And these bases are guanine, we have the cytosine, we have the thymine, and we have the adenine. Now, these four bases, they are what makes up the base of the DNA. And there is a particular rule governing how these four bases pairs and the number of the hydrogen bonds that holds them together as well. So that brings us to the rule itself. Here we go. Adenine always pair with the thymine. And then the cytosine always pair with the guanine. ATCG. Now, between adenine and thymine, there are two hydrogen bonds that holds these two together. Adenine and thymine, two hydrogen bonds. The cytosine and the guanine, three hydrogen bonds. So the number of the hydrogen bonds that holds the two bases together, the difficult it becomes for those bases to break. So here we go. To put everything together, our genetic informations are stored in our DNA. And DNA follows a particular base pairing rule called the DNA base pairing rule. The adenine always pairs with the thymine with two hydrogen bonds in between them. The guanine and cytosine are always base pairing each other, and there are three hydrogen bonds that hold these bases together. So this is it. Please, any information regarding this base pairing rule, don't forget to send an email to the channel or to my personal email. And thank you all for your attention. I hope the video is really gonna help.